Do you ever have half the day disappear and you don't even know where it went? Anyways, hi guys, it's Drea. So I went shopping this morning. That's where all my day went. And I picked up a few things. Now, I have recorded a ton of videos lately, but I haven't had time to edit them and get them up for you. So I figured I would just record a haul today because those are super easy to edit and I can get it up very, very quickly and give you guys a video. So I went to Dollarama and Winners. Now, if you don't know, I'm in Canada. Dollarama is just one of our dollar stores. I thought it'd be fun for some of my Canadian friends to see like what is available, and I also thought it'd be fun maybe for some of my American and international viewers to just like see what we buy here in Canada. I don't know. And then I went to Winners as well, which is just like TJ Maxx, and I found a few cool things there. So here's just a little random haul for you. As you know, I like filming hauls, but I just did a huge makeup one lately, so not a ton of makeup here. But let's just jump into it. Alright, I got a couple cards and bags. That's actually the reason I went to Dollarama, because I actually just needed these things. And everything else you're going to see is like, you know how you go in for one thing and you leave with $30 later? Well, that's what happened. This is the stuff I actually needed. Okay, so first stop was the beauty section. I picked up some more of this. This is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, and it's the Natural Lash Clear. It says with aloe. It's a tiny, tiny, tiny little tube. It's $2.50 for this tiny little tube. But honestly, this is better than Duo Lash Glue. It's better than House of Lashes Lash Glue. This is like my favorite. Not only does it get tacky really quickly, but it comes off easily. Like I always find with a lot of lashes, if I just pull it, I see people pull lashes off their eyes and I'm like, how are you not pulling your own eyelashes out when you do that? So anyways, when I like gently tug on this, I don't have any lashes, my real lashes, come out with it. So that's always a concern. I got 3 packages of like hair ties, because don't you just find like you could buy these and they're gone like in a month? Like where do they go? They just disappear. So these were all like $1 whatever. No particular amazing brand names, just whatever Dollarama actually carries. I found this. This is a little travel makeup bag. It was $4. Now Dollarama has things from $1 all the way up to $4 now, so that they can kind of carry a more wider range. Oh, actually it's $3.50, whatever, almost the same. It's by the brand Lori, which they have a lot of Lori stuff in their cosmetics department, but this actually looked pretty decent. So it has handles, it has this one big like open thing in the middle, and then it has 2 actual zipper pockets, one there and one here, and then like pockets galore. Look how many pockets there are in this thing. That's really why I thought it'd be really actually a decent like travel cosmetics thing. Whether you're actually taking makeup or just like skincare or whatever, it just seemed like a really good bag to have. So I picked that up. We're not going to Cuba anymore. Remember I've been talking about that for like, it seems like months now. We have planned on it, we have money for it, and it's just the worst timing in our lives to go. And winter's almost over anyway, so we're like, what is the point? There's no point in spending, you know, $2 grand, $2,500 to go there in like the middle of March, and especially because that's like the most expensive time to go to. So anyways, we just decided it's not the right timing, and we'll do something else this year instead. So I'm kind of disappointed, but kind of relieved, like, because there's so much other stuff going on in our lives. But I am kind of disappointed not to go, because I was really looking forward to it. I actually like wanted that for a trip, but who knows? Who knows when the next trip will be. Okay, they've got all their St. Patrick's Day stuff out. Look at this. I'm sorry, but I just could not resist this. How friggin' cute is this? I love it. I love this. I mean, it's only going to be worn one day of the year. I like that it's kind of low, actually, to be honest. I'd say that you can't really see my eyes, because I hate those hats that sit up like really high on your head and it looks like that. Anyways, so I'm gonna wear this on St. Patrick's Day because Honey has a gig, and I get to go and see him play, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. And he was looking for a t-shirt, so I found one for him, and there you go. And he really is Irish, so it's not fake. So that'll be good. He was looking at ones in Giant Tiger the other day for like 10 bucks, and they were kind of not that amazing. This one, I mean, like, again, you're really only gonna wear it for one day of the year, so you don't need it to be the most amazing quality, although you could wear this more than just St. Patrick's Day. like if you're Irish, I guess. And it was only $4 at Dollarama, right? $4? Yes, $4. 100% cotton. I don't know if it's pre-shrunk, but we'll find out after we wash it. All right, I picked up some chocolate. Not going to say how much of this is for me and how much of it is for other people, but probably the majority of it will be going into my mouth. Okay, I picked up some floss because I normally buy the Oral-B ones, and I've talked about them. They're amazing. They like don't fray and they're fantastic, but it's like $4 for a thing of it, and I figured I would try a Dollarama brand just to see like if it's any good, because it's only $1.25. I also needed like a spongy sponge, and I always just get them from Dollarama because why pay more than $1 for these? Like really, and really you should probably be throwing these out every month, like at the end of the month, or maybe 6 weeks at the most, because they will start collecting bacteria. So I don't want to spend more than $1 on those. This shampoo is just for like my kids, but it smells amazing. This is the Garnier Fruit Disc Fortifying Shampoo Volume Extend. It says with cucumber and papaya extracts, fine or flat hair. It's $3, but it smells like that green apple smell. You know that one, that sour green apple smell? Oh, it smells so good. Like, I want that scent in my shampoo. And then I needed some more hand soap for around the house. I haven't had the best luck with Dollarama hand soap before, but this one is the foaming kind, so I figured, like all the other ones I bought have not bubbled up very well, but I figured the foaming kind would probably be pretty good. And this is coconut lime scent, which I really love things that are coconut lime scented. And that is everything from Dollarama. So I'm going to show you what I got from Winners. Okay, I actually forgot the other day I went into Shoppers Drug Mart, and these things are really amazing, so I figured I would show you before like holding on to them for whenever I haul makeup again, because they might still be available. I got 2 of these Bioderma like tested out kits. So these were $6.90 each kit, which is an amazing price, especially considering the fact that they come with $5 off rebate coupons, which are they're in French, but in Canada, they legally have to take them because that is one of our languages spoken here. So even though it's in French, I can still use it. $5 off any Bioderma purchase. So like for example, even if they had these again, I could use that on this because there's no minimum to spend, which would be amazing. Or I could use it on any Bioderma product. I've never tried Bioderma before, and of course I've heard about it a million times on YouTube, so I thought that this would be a really good thing to try out. They did have, is it a blue one? This one is for oily skin. This one I guess is just a regular Bioderma. And then they have a blue one too, which I think is hydrating. So depending on what your skin needs are, there's one for you. But each of these have 3 products in it. So this one has the regular micellar water. It has a soothing sensitive cream, which I assume is just like a moisturizer. And then it's got an eye cream in it too. And then this one is the the oily skin micellar water. And this actually is why I really wanted to try this one, because it's the Sebum Matte Control Shine Control Moisturizer, which I have seen before, like just in its regular packaging, and I was like, I've wanted to try that, but it was kind of expensive. And then this one here is the Corrective Care for Enlarged Pores Skin or Skin with Blemishes. Tightens the pores, refines the skin texture. It doesn't really say if it's a moisturizer or a primer or what it is, so I'm going to have to try that and see. But if you can find these in your Shoppers, it's a really, really amazing deal. Okay, you know, like when you go into TJ Maxx or Marshalls or Winners or whatever, and you see stuff and you're like, I'm not sure about that, but you know you have to get it or it'll be gone. So I was in the purse section, and I wasn't really looking to buy a purse, so why would I go in the purse section just to be tempted by them when I don't really need one? But I kind of do need one for work, because mine is I either have really, really big ones or really, really tiny ones, and I need something a little bit in between. Anyways, you guys don't care. I saw this one there. This is a Roots bag, and it's kind of the perfect size. I don't like the price of it. It's $50, although if you got it from Roots, it would probably be more expensive than that. It's just like the perfect medium size bag. So it's not too big and it's not too small. It's got these straps here, which still fit nicely over your shoulder, but then it's also got like a big whatchamacallit, like shoulder strap too. And then of course it's just got like lots of nice compartments, but it's that nylon, so it's not super heavy. Like, I know a lot of people love the structured bags, but to me, like, they always weigh 10 pounds, just the bag itself, and I don't like that. I like a lightweight bag. So this one's all nylon, and I figured that'd be pretty good. But I'm not 100% yet if I want to keep it, but I had to buy it because, you know, it'll be gone if I decide later. And I was in a rush, so I didn't have time to try this on, but I really liked the look of it, so I thought I'd buy it, and we'll see. We'll see if I end up keeping it. But it's this top right here. It's just like this really sweet, floral, summertime, flowy. I love the flowiness of it. I love so much lately is like vintage floral. That's something I really love. It just speaks to my heart. I think it's that like early 80s kind of inspiration, maybe kind of late 70s-ish. Anyways, this was $19.99. This was from the brand FAVE. Okay then. I just don't know. Sometimes these really flowy things look good on me, and sometimes they are too tent-like. So I'll have to try it on and see, but I love the color. I don't know if you guys know, but I love wearing yellow, especially with denim. And since I have to wear denim at work all the time, it works out pretty well for me now. They had flip-flops there. I really liked these. I like the look of them. They're Ralph Lauren. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like that there's a Ralph Lauren logo right on them. It's kind of flashy, but sometimes I like that. And they look like thick enough where they're going to be pretty comfortable to walk around in just like day to day, which I do like. I sometimes just like roaming around in flip-flops everywhere. And they're super cute colors. So I bought those. Those were $19.99. Not the cheapest for flip-flops, but then again, a lot of places are getting like $10 flip-flops and it's still like not the best quality. So anyways, there's that. I picked up some Starbucks coffee for my husband because he really likes the French roast, and he never seems to know where to buy it. So I just saw it there, so I bought it for him. Okay, Sigma brushes. Winners now definitely carrying them all the time, it seems like. They have like sets, they have individual ones. I actually bought a few that I didn't even haul a few weeks ago. So I really love them. Now this one I own already. Actually, it's funny because I was planning to do a hauled it but how was it video, and I just remembered I put that aside because that was in that haul. So I guess you'll see it reviewed twice. But this is just like a really gigantic big face brush. I have it already. This will be my second one, but I love it that much. It was on clearance for $15. That's why I ended up buying it, because I was like, I can't pass it up at a clearance price like that. This is so soft, this brush. If you ever see it, just grab it, like at a good price, obviously. Just grab it because it's so soft. It's really big, so you could use it like for a face brush, but you could also just use it like under your eye, either to set your concealer or to wipe away baking or that kind of thing. Okay, what else did I buy here? I bought a brush. Actually, the whole reason I went into Winners was because I just needed a brush, and it's right beside the dollar store. But yet I came out with over $100 worth of crap. Like I said, don't know if I'm keeping all of it, but I'm gonna keep this. This is the wet brush, detangle brush, which I have heard of, and I've always kind of wanted to try it. So there you go. It was $7.99 from Winners, and it looks pretty decent. My kid keeps stealing my brush, so I was like, I need another one. I picked up some more hand soap because I really do need some. This is only $6 for a ginormous, like ginormous container. 17 fluid ounces for $6. Like Bath and Body Works, the pricing is not that good even when it's on sale when you compare the ounces. This smells amazing. This is grapefruit and orange, but it has that kind of, okay, you know, like carbonated pop? You know the difference between how it smells when it's flat and when it's carbonated? This smells like carbonated, like cream, not cream soda, the orange soda. That's what this smells like, but like in a nice way. Anyways, and I really needed some more like clips. I bought, okay, I never showed you guys this, but I went to the thrift store a few weeks ago and I found a set of curlers, the heated curlers, you know, the really expensive heated curlers, and they were completely clean. Like they looked like they had been untouched. They're completely clean. So I bought them, I tried them out, they work perfectly, except they come with like 20 curlers, but only 3 clips to hold the curlers on. I'm like, what? That makes no sense. So I needed some more clips to like actually hold the curlers in my hair. And I thought these would do a really good job. So these are from Swissco. They're called Hold Up Butterfly Hair Clips. And they're 6 in here for $4. So I thought that was a pretty decent price. All right, so that is my haul. I hope that you really liked it. It's kind of random, I know, but I just felt like sharing with you guys. So hopefully this video will be up soon. And yeah, I've got a very busy weekend ahead of me. We got a new washing machine coming. My parents are coming over. Gotta clean the house today. But I wanted to take the time to say hello and do a haul for you. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you're speaking kindly to yourself. I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.